Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing pineapple fried rice, a very quick, easy and healthy fried rice, perfect for the whole family. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make pineapple fried rice, into a bowl I'm adding in 1.5 cups of long grain rice. So that is 1.5 cups of long grain rice. Into that I'm adding in some water. And I'm soaking the rice for about 10 minutes or until I get the other ingredients ready. The other ingredients I'm using are a handful of shallots. This is 10 shallots, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, 8 to 10 beans, 1 carrot, 1/4 of a medium-sized cabbage, half of a medium-sized capsicum, 3 stalks of celery. Celery is optional, but if you have, you can add them as it will give a nice flavor to the pineapple fried rice. Half cup of green peas and the main ingredient, which is half cup of chopped pineapple. I have chopped the pineapple into small pieces. After 10 minutes, the rice has nicely soaked. So I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then keep it on a strainer. Now to cook the rice, I'm boiling some water. I'm using my 3-liter sauce pot to boil the rice. I've added some water. Into the water, I'm adding in some pink Himalayan salt. And I'm allowing the water to come to a boil. I have washed and rinsed the rice and I've kept it on a strainer. And once the water boils, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the strained rice. Give it a stir. And allow the rice to get 3/4 cooked. While the rice is getting cooked, I am chopping the vegetables. So I have already chopped the garlic, shallots and sliced the green chilies, and I am chopping the carrot. Celery stalk, celery will give a nice flavor to the fried rice. If you don't have celery at hand, you can totally omit it. Next, I am chopping the beans. The cabbage. And lastly, I am chopping the capsicum. And now let's check on the rice. Okay, now the rice is 3/4 cooked. So I'm going to strain the rice. If you have cooked rice at hand, you can skip this process and use the cooked rice. So I have strained the rice and I'm going to allow it to keep like this for about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to stir fry the vegetables. I'm heating my heavy bottomed steel wok with 2 tablespoons wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Wood pressed oils has a neutral flavor, so it's ideal for recipes like this. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in the chopped garlic cloves. Reduce the flame to the lowest. Stir the garlic and allow the garlic to get lightly browned. This way the oil will also get infused with the garlic flavor and that will give an amazing flavor to the pineapple fried rice. Once the garlic starts to turn golden brown, add in the chopped shallots and sliced green chilies. I've put the flame on high and I'm going to stir fry this. This wok is a heavy bottomed wok, so it retains more heat, and I'm doing this process on high heat. Next, I'm adding in the chopped carrots and chopped celery. Add in the chopped green beans. Add in the green peas. Stir well. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and stir well. Add in the cabbage. Add in 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Stir well. Add in half tablespoon coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is a healthier alternative to soy sauce. However, if you don't have coconut aminos, you can use soy sauce instead. Give it a stir. Add in the chopped pineapple pieces. Stir well. The pineapple will give a subtle sweetness and a nice flavor to the fried rice. Add in the cooked and strained long grain rice. Stir well. Add in the capsicum. Again stir well. The capsicum will get cooked with the residue heat. When you add capsicum towards the end, it will get cooked with the residue heat and also will retain a subtle crunch. But if you don't prefer that, you can add it along with the vegetables. Add in 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add in 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. So that is 2 caps of apple cider vinegar. And when you are using apple cider vinegar, make sure you are using the vinegar which has the mother. The mother is actually the healthy gut friendly bacteria. And stir it really well. And my pineapple fried rice is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with any side dish of your choice. Serve the pineapple fried rice to a bowl. So guys, do try this healthy pineapple fried rice and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.